Hi there. If any icons is missing from your start menu, then this video will show you the way to fix it. I can't find my Photoshop icon here. So, right-click on Taskbar. Go to Task Manager. Look for Windows Explorer. Right-click and restart. It will take some time and everything will be like earlier after some blinks. But if still the icon is missing, then do it. Go to Start. Find the app you are missing the icon of. Right-click. At the top, you can see Pin to Start and Pin to Taskbar. Simply, Pin to Taskbar. The icon is again in the Start menu. So, this is the way to bring back missing icons in Start menu. Please be with us and also subscribe to Joseph IT. Goodbye.